It's been a while since I've uploaded a video, so let's get straight into it. So today's given question is to print the values from 1 to 10. Let me write it down. So to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 1 second. Okay. And 10 in a pyramidal form. Pyramid form. Okay. So how are you gonna do that? We will be doing that using the for loops. So first and foremost, in our in the program that we are writing right now, each line is gonna have 4 digits. So for that I have already written, as you can see, for 4. It's gonna repeat it for 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. For 4 lines. So the loop is written for 4 lines. Now coming inside it. So after each line prints, we are going to detect one space. So it's like when the loop is run for the first time, it's going to run for 3 times. So first time j is equal to 1, I is equal to 1. So here 4 minus 1 is 3. So the number of dots that are going to be printed will be 3 in the first line. So when it's going to be for the second loop, I is going to become 2, and the whole loop is going to print 2 dots. When it's repeating for the third time, I is going to become 3 and it's going to only print 1 dot. Is it alright? So let me run the code. So yeah, you can see the what I'm talking about. Run it. So yeah, no. Wait. Give me a second. I didn't give a slash in it. Yeah, my bad. Slash. Jesus Christ, page. This is what I'm talking about. So 3, 2, and 1. So now when we are gonna give it, now we are gonna write a program that is gonna tell the computer that's gonna follow this, and it's gonna ask it to print 1 over here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Okay. So let me paste the code. Wait 1 second. What is this stuff? Okay. So after this, I have used another letter K, asking it to print less than I. So see, here already 3 dots are there, right? So I is 3, uh, I is 1, my bad. So I is 1, so number of digits I'm asking to print is only 1. So the first digit is going to print is 1. Over here we are going to get 1. So for the next time, here we are having 2 open spaces. It's going to take 2, I is equal to 2. It's going to print more. So let me give a modular d function, and I'll explain to you. Right, modular d, and I've given a left space so that we are going to have gaps between each number, and print slash n so that we could break each line. After each line, we're going to take a break. So let me run the code for you. Count and count plus. I know you. So each time the code runs, for the first time it's going to give 1. After that, it's going to be incremented to 2. After that, it's going to be incremented to 3. That is the reason I have put count plus here. Otherwise, everything is going to be 1 or 2 pyramid. We need 1 to 10, right? So that's why I have used incrementing operator over here. So this count is for the digits, like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when we run the code, okay, where did I go wrong? Give me a second. 16. Where is 16? Wait on. Yeah. So this is it. So as you can see, 1. After that we are having 2 spaces left. So 2 and 3. After that we are left with 3 spaces. So 4, 5, 6. and after that we are having 7, 8, 9 and 10, 4 digits. So as you can see, each line is having 4 digits if I'm not wrong. Is that right? 4, see, 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is possible because of this for loop. Okay, now only this 3 dots are coming, right? 3 dots, 2 dots and 1 dot. This is using this one. Each time the loop runs, it's going to deduct one space for the gap, for the dot. Okay, now for this, as for these digits, so each time the code is going to run, so for I is equal to 1, it's going to print the first digit, that is I is 1. For I is equal to 2, it's going to print digits for 2 spaces, that is 2 and 3. When I is 3, it's going to print digits for 3 spaces, 4, 5, 6. When I is 4, it's going to print for the 4 spaces. So this count is for the digits and count plus plus is for the incrementing operator. If you're going to remove this count plus plus. So let's see what happens. Give me a second. See, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. The operator is not incrementing anything. We are getting only single digits, only one digit. So if we are taking count is equal to 2, it's going to print 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, like that, just like that. So we need an incrementing operator to keep the digits moving forward. So count plus plus. Now when we do that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you don't want these dots, right? As per the question, let me remove the dot and give it a blank space so that we're gonna get. Now instead of these dots, we are gonna have the spaces. So when you run the code, voila. So yeah, this is the answer. I hope you understood this one. If you didn't, watch it again. Keep working hard. Thank you.